we're not going to do any commentary. Oh, the chain is stiff. Last year there was like a lot of dust that flew out because when I just flipped it, Donovan put it straight to high. That's a pretty decent low speed. Use a speed that I usually keep it on, but in reverse. Are we gonna do reverse too, or just down
You
draft?
can do reverse.
All right, sure.
Maybe just reverse some high. I don't know.
Yeah. Bearings are a bit hissy. There might be just a bit falling out.
Airflow, yeah.
Actually, no, not much.
Yeah.
Was a decent amount of air.
Yeah, it blows a decent amount. We could just. I was gonna say we could do spin down on it. No.
I could just spin down in reverse.
Sure.
You're late, Hampton. You're late.
Got stuck in traffic.
Not my problem.
Where's Donovan?
What is this thing?
It's a Murray Feiss.
I got
Oh.
my shoes.
The oval's pretty bad. Oh, you're gonna spin down.
Yeah.
I shall flip it back to down draft.
Yep, dude, where'd Donovan go?
I don't know. He's always late.
Cormac, how was the? Y'all
Didn't you go up Donovan? I'll sit down.
Like, how long were you in the mountains? Not long.
It was like a few hours from like 7 a.m. No, like before 7.
This thing is so dirty.
Around like 6 something, and then I got out of it before lunch. But not that long. Oh yeah, you went. I went through Maryland, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania. The mountains.
This thing ran on reverse for like 2 decades or something.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
That's about it.
Well,
Thanks
that's
for
it.
watching.